Welcome back to Explore Error: How to Stop Background Processes in Windows 11. This can really help speed up your computer and improve overall performance. In this video, I'll show you a couple of simple steps you can follow. So first, open your Start menu. Then search for Task Manager and click on it to open. From this window, you'll be able to see all the background processes that are currently running on your computer. You can scroll through the list, and if there's a process you want to stop, just right-click on it and press End Task. Just make sure you don't end anything that is important for your system. Now, if you want to reduce or stop background processes overall, then click on Startup Apps from the left side. The first step here is to disable startup applications. The more apps that run when your computer starts, the more background processes will run and slow down your PC. As you can see, most of mine are already disabled, but if there's an app you want to turn off, just right-click on it and press Disable. Once you've done that, close this window and open your Start menu again. Search for Run and click on it. Now, type msconfig and press Enter. From this window, click on Services and then check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. It's very important to make sure this box is checked. After that, click on Disable All, then press Apply and click OK. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer. After restarting, it will reduce the number of background processes running. If you face any issues after doing these steps, you can go back to the Services page and enable all the services again.